Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. In this video, we are testing a newly rebuilt Caterpillar transmission analyzer we received from a construction customer in Australia. This unit was severely damaged, as it needed one of its control boards to be fully replaced to bring it back up and running. At ERD, we routinely work on items that are not only no longer serviced by the OEM, but are often ignored by other repair shops, with no easy substitute. This can be a challenge, but we are always looking for ways to quickly and efficiently get our customers back to work producing their products and services.